Hi guys, how's it going? This is Tam again, and as you can see, the weather is super nice today. The sky is so bright and clear, and it isn't cloudy at all. It's such a good day for doing laundry, and I hope the COVID-19 will affect your family, friends, and co-worker the least. And let's forget it for about 5 minutes, because thanks to the weather, I'm in the good mood to answer one question in the IELTS Speaking Part 2.
It was a hot summer day, and I had always wanted to move out of the most crowded city in New Zealand, Auckland, and finally I made the plan successful. 1 month before that, I got a job offer from a fine dining restaurant in Dunedin, New Zealand. As a result, I needed to pack all of my stuff into one huge luggage and another tiny one, which took me about a week. I remember on that day I needed to take a flight to Dunedin, and one of my friends had suggested to help me out. It was so lucky of me because I would have had to either take train, bus or taxi to the airport if my friend had not offered to help me out. All the stuff were packed completely in the early morning, which gave me a relief. Due to my flight departing around midday, all I needed to do after that was to wait for my friend coming to pick me up. It was raining cat and dog the night before, which made me super worried that my flight would be cancelled. But it suddenly became baking hot. The sky was so bright and clear, and it wasn't cloudy at all. I was feeling glad because my friend would have stuck in the traffic and I would have been late for my flight if the weather has not been as nice as it was that morning. As well, the warm weather lifted me up on the day that I needed to move out of the city where I stayed for about 3 years. Those are the reasons making me think the weather perfectly make my day.
Yes, we already finished answering the question, so now it's time to analyze why the answer will help you to score 7 in the IELTS Speaking Part 2. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the One Tree Hill scenery here in New Zealand, Auckland.
Fly me to the moon and let me dance forevermore.
Feel free to share your feedback in the comments section below, and so that I can improve my video next time. Thank you guys, and have a good one. Bye.